This is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and to watch over 600 videos on emergency preparedness that can save your life, go to ldsprepper.com. We've got a 30-foot row of beautiful strawberries that are now completely vulnerable to the birds because I am in the process of replacing the plastic on the greenhouse. And so we need to protect these strawberries from the birds because I did not grow this for the birds. So my wife and I are going to go through and pick up all the ripe strawberries, as many as we can, and then we're going to cover it. I'm going to show you exactly how we cover it and how you can do the same and still have access to your strawberries. We have our work cut out for us because this box is full of beautiful, red, ripe, juicy, nutritious strawberries. And we don't want the birds to get their hands on that. Look at that strawberry. In previous videos, which I'll link down below this video, I've shown you how to make these mini greenhouse arches. And that's what we're going to use to protect the strawberries from the birds. It looks like I bent about 40 of these about 12 years ago, and they look like the day that I bent them. So these will last generations, I'm sure. Now that we have the mini greenhouse A-frames in place, it's time to cover them with the bird netting. All right, so this is the bird netting that I'm using. I'll have a link down below where I got this. And this is going to work just great for the strawberries. As you saw from the label, this screen here is 14 feet wide and 45 feet long. I only need it to be about 6 feet wide. So I just unrolled it and it's half size. So it's basically doubled over. It's 7 feet wide. And I didn't cut it because I don't like cutting things, and so the end of it's at the other end. And on this side, my non-working side, I'm just going to be using some zip ties and zip tie every other mini A-frame with the bird netting so the birds can't get underneath. And then on my working side of the box, I call my working box the rows between two, the aisleway between two rows, because that's really where I'm working. I've got these clamps on here. Now I probably have only about half as many clamps as I need, so I'll probably go pick up some more. But as you can see, I've also left about a foot of netting out here on the ground, hopefully to keep the birds out and cause maybe kind of a tanglefoot type of a situation. So there you have it. The bird netting over the strawberries will protect our strawberries. Now when we put netting over our raspberry bushes, our harvest dramatically increased. And I'm talking 2, 3, 4, 5 times more raspberries because we were protecting them from the birds. So I didn't grow this food for the birds. I don't grow any of this food for the birds. So they are not permitted to eat this. This is grown for ourselves. So when you're growing food as if your life depends on it, you need to consider controlling the competition, which is the 6th law of plant growth. I don't do anything in my garden if it doesn't apply to one of those 6 laws. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear, and you'll be able to eat beautiful, delicious, nutrient-dense strawberries like this.